Whether you are a new homemaker or just moved into a new house, setting up kitchen can be a big task. We all homemaker dream about a kitchen that is organized, beautiful and functional. So today's video is dedicated to all new homemakers who just started their journey and must be confused about how to organize their kitchen in a best way. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So if you are newly married, learning new lessons in the kitchen just now, I am sure these ideas will come handy for you. And if you already know these ideas, I hope you enjoy watching the video. Many times we buy oil dispensers and later on realize that it's just a waste of money. But this oil dispenser, which is from IKEA, is must buy for you. This oil dispenser comes in a set of 2 along with the bottle stand, which really makes it easy to carry here and there in the kitchen, and also it is easy to organize. These are glass oil dispenser and bottles are small and light in weight and comes with easy flow nozzles, so no tension of oil spilling out of the bottle. So this oil dispenser is highly recommended to all new homemakers who just started cooking, as this needs less maintenance and because there is no spill and no wiping required again and again while using. One more oil dispenser which I found very useful for pouring oil in salads and parathas. This is a combination of stainless steel and glass. You can use it as a seasoning bottle. It will make your cooking mess free and leak free. It comes with a knob opening which will open automatically once you started pouring the oil. You will surely love its great design with zero drip mouth. So overall this is worth buying for your kitchen. Now, how to organize various oil dispensers you have. Always advise to keep all your oil bottles together and on less height as much as possible. Mostly oil dispensers are glassware and you may break it accidentally if it's kept on open shelves and cabinets. Use this type of wooden tray to keep oil bottles organized and handy while cooking. One thing we most of the time ignore and forget to organize are all these pouches and sachets. Some sachets comes complimentary with pizzas and burgers, and some sachets like sugars, sauces, tea bags we buy all the time but never think of organizing them properly. This multi-purpose stackable organizer is perfect for organizing all your sachets. These boxes are stackable, hence you can save lots of space by storing them on top of each other in your cabinet. You can also use this organizer to store your jewelry, socks, hankies, etc. It will save lots of space and it will keep your home and kitchen neat, clean and organized. But I am using it to organize all my sachets in this organizer. You may check out various kitchen organizers in Meralink by Bulbul Shop online website, which is one-stop destination for all kitchen and household organizers and tools. Miralink by Bulbul Shop will provide you free delivery, free cash on delivery and very easy returns and replacements in 5 days. I bought many such organizers from Miralink at very reasonable price. Do check out the website for variety of products and many offers and discounts they offer daily. All links and details are given in the description box below. You can also place your order through WhatsApp link. So many small and big bowls of different material to store together is not a good idea. If you don't have space in your kitchen and you have to store these bowls together in same drawer or cabinet, then use baskets or organizers to keep them segregated in the same place. I am using few baskets to store these bowls, but placing them in a way so that they will remain segregated and they will not look messy and mixed up with each other. Kitchen towels are the most used items in our kitchen. Every time we cook, we need kitchen towel for wiping hands and dishes. So it's always better to keep them organized. For those who live in a rented house and drilling is not allowed, you can have this organizer for hanging your kitchen towels, which are extremely easy to install without drilling and making holes. You can hang 4 to 5 towels all together in this towel hanger. This is also one of the best option for hanging kitchen towels. You can place it on your cabinet doors inside or outside very easily and hang your kitchen towel on this. I am sure all these ideas will help you setting up and organizing your kitchen, and hope you enjoyed watching this video. Consider subscribing my channel, and if you like the video, give a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching my videos.